Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Cassie's outfit on Dress to Impress without any VIP and only like 3 items, 5 including the hair. For the hair, I use this in blonde and no adjustments, and I use this hair in blonde too with these adjustments. Position the Y 0.62, Z 0.67, rotate the X to 0.63. And then for the outfit, we are going to use this top here in the matte toggle in this color 4B7A6B. Then for the heels, we're just going to go, oh my gosh, to the meat room, and we're going to grab this one in no strap in this color, I think, in metallic. And this one. Then for the pants, we're just going to use this code item here in that same color for everything. And that's pretty much it. It is super simple to do. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.